Da 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 da. Welcome back to my channel, Layla Fashion. Today what we're going to be doing is trying on some Kim Kardashian pantyhose. I had saw that she was doing a clothing sale, and like a worn clothing sale, and actually there are pantyhose that are from her closet. So I ordered them just to give them a try on and see how it goes. To be honest, I have never worn someone else's pantyhose, so I think this will be a good little experiment and you all get to see my genuine reaction. First I will show you my outfit, then I will talk about the pantyhose that are from Kim Kardashian, and then I will try them on for you. But right now, I'm wearing a very cute little summer sundress. I know that weather-wise, I would probably be kind of cold, but it's very cute. It's actually a children's dress because I'm so petite, and it's even a little bit big on me. But it would be really nice for, I don't know, like going on a picnic or yeah, a picnic would be very cute with this dress, or like a little beach day, something spring or summery. I would pair it with these cute little white flats. I've had some people kind of in the past say they hate these little flats because of the bubbles on them, but I think they add a little fun pop. And y'all know that I don't always do the funnest things. So, not the funnest, but I can be kind of predictable when it comes to what I'm going to be wearing, like beige pantyhose and blue shoes and blah, blah, blah. So having these little bubble accents, I think are really cute. And right now I'm wearing a pair of Wolfords. They're amazing. So yeah, this is my cute little outfit. And drum roll, that's a pretty crappy drum roll, but whatever. Kim Kardashian's Wolfords. So these Wolfords are blue, which will be cool to try with this dress. They are a 40 den, neon, shimmering with a soft waistband. Their color is Moon Indigo, and their size extra small. 40 den, almost invisible reinforced toe, soft, elastic, linear waistband with logo, and they're shiny. So these are her pantyhose. So let's try the babies on. Well, actually, let's look at them, I guess. So they got like this very thick waistband. I'm always not like the biggest fan of like thick waistbands like this, but you know, it is what it is. Cotton gusset, very light, and a very, very, very sheer reinforced toe. Almost unnoticeable. Yeah, almost invisible, to be honest. Then it has like the Wolford on the band and also inside. So we'll take off these ones and do this. Da, 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 da. These are much lighter than the Wolfords that I have on right now. So we'll see what this blue looks like with this dress. Oh yeah, the den is much thicker. Honestly can't even see the reinforced toe. They go on so beautifully. I find that Wolford pantyhose are just honestly amazing to put on in a comparison to some others. Okay, yeah, they're on. I always find it so funny with colored pantyhose, but here they are, the waistband. Whoop, pull up those panties. The waistband with the Wolford on it, and they look really great. They're super comfortable, honestly. It's pretty cool that they're from Kim K. I'm not really big into like following celebrities, but this is a cool experience. And with the dress, you know, it adds a layer of dimension that is a little different than what I'm used to. So yeah, here we are with the finished look, with the bubble slide sandals, whatever you want to call them, and my cute blue dress. Honestly, these are great pantyhose. Would I wear it and pair it with this dress? Maybe not always. Not sure what exactly I would pair the blue pantyhose with, but I'll think about it. And in the meantime, these are just amazing, and I'm happy that I get to try them on. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I have a Patreon that has some other content, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.